I just want to be a 10-year-old crackhead.
Ooh, this will be good. Rebooting a franchise you want, have any director direct it, but... you gotta go to the nearest school and beat the shit out of a random kid.
I don't want to do that.
Look, man.
Halloween will be remade properly!
Oh god, I think I
Crook.
shit myself.
Literally everyone. But sure.
Oh.
Alright. Ooh, be a professional chef. But...
Okay.
you poop your... That's a typical fuck...
You can, you could just like
Learn to cook and not shit yourself.
Just don't wear pants.
Nope.
It'll be fine.
I like how Ricky's like, yeah, I'll shit myself.
Bro, when you taste my food, you'll shit yourself. You know what I mean?
No, you can incorporate shit into all your meals.
Oh god,
It's a
no.
secret sauce.
Up into your
Oh.
vernacular.
I don't know if your boyfriend would appreciate that though.
Ooh.
You'd like
Be able
have
to-
ever rarely cook.
Butteye!
Yeah!
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do China!
I don't want to nuke China.
Plus
that'd be
social
a bad
credit for
idea.
Sharp.
Don't worry, we'll learn to make their shit eventually.
No, not that.
It would like fucking hit India.
And Russia. And
Who
South
cares?
Korea.
Blah, blah,
Fallout
blah.
would strike Japan. No more.
Alright, come to think of it, fact... the past few fucking Honest Day entries I did for Midnight Media... we keep having friendly fire fucking incidents.
I'll never
Have your
be a
parents
Redditor.
say you're proud of you, support anything you do, but become a Redditor.
Fuck
I'm
no.
already there.
I'd rather be a
You're already there.
Discord mod.
I'm already there.
I'd rather be a Discord mod.
You know what,
I'd
Sam?
rather
You got
be
the right idea.
Fair.
Fuck that.
But yeah, in two fucking separate instances, we keep shooting people and killing our own allies. Because fog of war.
China.
Hey,
Kill everybody.
Get some drugs.
okay.
Some
what are you
drugs from
selling?
you. What's the caveat?
No.
Nah. Then I couldn't enjoy them.
Yeah, I don't want to be
Yeah,
a
most-
10-year-old doing
most drugs will probably
That
kill
would
you at
fry my
10.
brain.
If I'm
Yeah,
10 years old,
probably.
I'm not gonna know how to fucking roll a joint. Fuck that shit.
Shove it up your ass instead
Look,
of
I'm sorry.
eat it.
I just want to be a 10-year-old crackhead.
Oh,
This seems
Yo,
fun.
Go to school.
look, I don't have to
I mean,
pay taxes. I can sit on my ass. I can
I mean,
possibly rape.
they
I
have
don't
a
know.
point.
you could shit your pants, get high. Living the
Get your
dream.
pants,
Spend-
get high.
Well, adults have to take care of me. Shit.
Ooh, here we go.
Spend your
Christmas cry at the
entire
same time?
recess high? That sounds great.
Go back to
Have the
school.
adult brain in a child's mind?
No more voting.
That sounds like you now.
Don't have to do taxes.
Never feel socially awkward or nervous, but a dead penguin will spawn right next to you every time it happens.
Hey, free penguin meat.
I wouldn't feel awkward about it.
Ah! Kowalski!
Imagine how rank that shit would smell.
You have a fucking
worse
crock
than, like-
on the back of
Would it just be constant? Because like you're always using it because you're never nervous.
Oh,
It's
fuck.
just always chilling with it. Well, I mean, you get used to the smell.
I spend $1,000 a month on air freshener. My trash man hates
Just
me.
rot, right? And just be a skeleton. Be eventually fine.
Call anything to you anywhere like Thor's hammer, but...
Taco Supreme, come here.
You'd say that and he just worked a
Holy
full-time
shit.
job at Taco Bell.
Man, bitch. bitch. I'm working at Taco Bell. Base.
That wasn't the one I wanted.
Fucking. We'll go with it.
Sam, you wouldn't work at Taco Bell? Come on.
Just to like call a thing to me.
Yes, at any time. you want.
Anything.
Look, unless I'm just calling a fat wad of cash to me. No.
I mean, I think you can.
Oh, tempting, tempting.
Okay,
But
kill
what?
a pedo, but would you use it?
Well, it says
I
I,
trust
have it.
you.
Doesn't mean I'll use it.
I trust you not to use it if I kill a pedophile.
Yeah, I just want to kill a pedophile.
I can't. I'm too afraid.
Gonzo!
I'm way too afraid.
You just gotta trust Ricky.
Russ,
kill
I don't
you.
want you to have that power.
Besides, you just killed a pedophile. Who would kill you for?
Anybody?
2 pedophiles just live because of you.
Ricky, are you gonna kill a pedophile? Let me give this little bit of-
Stronger based on how
There's
horny.
the logic there. Why would I kill someone that killed a pedophile?
Oh no.
Oh. God, you'll just...
This is
walk hard
evil.
and nothing will happen.
This is like the
Bro, your
Incredible Hulk.
strength would grow infinitely, but that would be hell.
It's fucking Super Sam. Super Sam!
Think how jacked you could get.
You would only be like fucking jacked 10 times.
But you could get even more jacked.
I mean, if they were
You'd be
like
only
Ricky
be
Joker
extremely
once, you wouldn't
jacked
believe it, their
for
strength
10
would
more
rise
times in your
infinitely.
life.
Look. No, it like builds up. You would just get jacked and you couldn't stop it.
Oh, edging.
Well, I'm jacking off, and I can't stop it.
Oh,
30
yeah.
years experience of jacking off!
Fuck that.
Yeah.
Permanent. Never go away. You'd
Yeah,
shoot
you gotta
yourself.
itch it.
Bad enough. I already have. Bad enough. I'm already repulsed about cigarettes.
Let's see. I think I'm gonna bounce somewhere else after this one. Let's
All right.
let's see. Let's see what we're working with.
Touching a book will download all the content, and the power can be turned on and off. But
I already do that on the daily.
That is my power. Here, I'll do it right now. Suck my
Have a good
balls,
night.
God,
Heavy
America.
of a burden to bear. Oh yeah. I'll
Thanks
see
for
you later.
joining us.
Yeah.
oh god. Ooh, Jedi powers, but you eat the sponge in your kitchen sink like right now.
Sauce is just like, Ricky, what are you doing? Jedi power.
I'm going to be Obi-Wan Kenobi.
Gonzi's just like,
No,
it's salt.
no.
It's salt.
I don't have a kitchen sponge,
No, it doesn't-
so that's easy.
I got a
That
world
means you
we
just
can
don't
go
get the
to.
powers. You have to eat kitchen sponge.
I kind of want to stop.
You have to
Yeah,
go
alright.
out and buy a
Here's the
kitchen
last
sponge,
one.
set it by the
Alright.
sink, and then eat.
All right, one more.
Well,
The powers of
but-
Goku.
What will it be, fellas?
Knowing what I know about you, that would be
Don't
pretty
want me to be
easy.
beautiful. Yeah, right.
You're already good
I want
enough
you
as
to be
is,
beautiful,
though.
Oh, thank you.
All right,
You know, I'll take that.
all right.
I want to show you the world with that talking AI.